Hey folks, I just wanted to share with you my first official potato harvest of the year. I have dug up a few volunteer potatoes already, but this is the first named varieties that I planted on purpose, and I know what they are. And I thought you might be interested in seeing how I do this. I have around 40 plus varieties planted this year, and I've dug up my first 4. And this is from my trial patch, so it's actually from pots. So right there, and then these guys over here are my varieties. There's Midnight, Marble, Penny, Desire, and Swift. And then on the left is my seed potatoes for next year. On the right is the stuff that's either too small or normally too big, but not this year since we had a drought. So a lot of them are on the smaller side. They're my first year growing this variety, so I still have to try them, see what they taste like. And I'll regrow them next year because I find that you can't get a true taste and quality of potato the first year that I grow them. So I have to grow them a couple years out to see how they react to my soils. And then I had done them in pots. And what I did is I put about 2 inches of sawdust on the bottom, my mix of potting soil. I do a combination of bot soil, older soil, compost, charcoal, some eggshells, just whatever I want to put together actually. And then I top dress it with eelgrass, which is a type of seaweed that I'm able to gather since I live at the Atlantic Ocean. So I gather that every year as well to use as mulch for my potatoes especially. And yeah, that's basically what I do. And for these guys, I just empty the pots. And then I see what we get. And this, of course, is a very dark variety. There we go. So it's a lot harder to see, but I basically put them in this bin, dump it out, so that I can then sort through them, pick out the potatoes, and then I save my soil for potting things or in the garden for next year. And yeah, I'm having a great time discovering my potato treasures, and I hope you guys have a lovely day as well. Bye for now.